So this is the third lesson for this week, and it covers the other part of this. So last lesson we looked at arc lengths. So this time we're going to look at sectors, and particularly we're wanting to know about the area inside sectors. So that is our plan, is to look at sector area and see if we can work with that. So sector area is this kind of question here. So it's very much says what it does what it says. It says find the area of this sector, and it lets us now have a way to do that. So we need a formula like we've been using for everything else. So much like the last formula, we want the fraction of the circle that we're interested in, which is our angle over all 360 degrees in a full circle. We can times that, but now we're talking about areas of circles. Now if it was a full circle, the area would be pi r squared. And this is the fraction of the full circle that we have. So that becomes our formula for the area of a sector. And once we've got our formula, it's about plugging numbers in. So we are 60 over 360 times pi times 25 squared. Putting that into a calculator, we get 327.2492347, etc. Rounding it, that's 327.25. We're working in meters over here, so this is in meters squared because it's an area. So same process, here's our formula. Write that down each time, substitute our numbers in, get an answer on the calculator, and then make sure we round it appropriately. So here's the second example of this. As I say, first thing we do is write down our formula. So area equals angle over 360 times pi r squared. We put our numbers in. So that's 280 over 360 in this case, times pi times the radius here, which is 12 squared. Get our answer and put it in the calculator. And for this one, that gives us 351.858 377,202. And we can round that, and that gives us 351.86, and here we're using millimeters, so our area is in millimeters squared. So what I'd like you to do, like the other ones, I'd like you to have a go at one for yourself, and when you've had a go at that one, then I'll run through an answer with you to check that you know exactly what's happening. So this one up here, we're going to give this an angle of 35 degrees, and it's going to have a radius of 30 centimeters. So have a go, and in the next video I'll run through the answer to that.